So today we're gonna quickly make pumpkin pie spice. This is great, you can use it in all kinds of different things, not just pumpkin pie, but it's the flavor of pumpkin pie. So we're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. I just have some sticks, so I thought I would grind my own. If you don't, obviously just use regular ground. And now to my 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of ground clove, and 1.5 teaspoons of allspice. And there we have it, pumpkin pie spice. I'm just gonna mix this together. And now with this, I'm going to make pumpkin pie creamer. So we can have a beautiful creamer for a latte or just to add to your coffee. And this will be the flavoring for that. But that's another recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this one, you'll probably like this one or that one. Meet you there. Bye for now.